Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into 20 incredible AI platforms that are revolutionizing the way we work, create, and even play. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, these tools, mostly free and credit card free, are game changers for writing, design, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Get ready to supercharge your productivity and creativity in 2025. If you're excited to explore these tools, hit that subscribe button and join our AI revolution. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Let's kick things off with AI tools that can transform the way you write and create content. 1. ChatGPT, your all-in-one text generator, perfect for brainstorming, writing articles, or even drafting emails. 2. Grammarly. This tool uses AI to proofread, check grammar, and refine your writing style in real time. 3. WriteSonic, an emerging platform that assists in generating creative content and marketing copy, all with a free tier to get you started. Enjoying these writing hacks? Smash that subscribe button now to unlock more secret tools that boost your productivity. Next up, spreadsheets, an essential for business and academics alike. Meet Excel Formula Bot, an AI tool that helps you create complex formulas in seconds. No more tedious trial and error. Just smart automation that saves time and reduces errors. If you want to take your spreadsheet skills to the next level, hit subscribe and stick around for more amazing tools. Design can be intimidating, but not with these AI platforms at your fingertips. 4. Canva, an intuitive design tool with AI-powered suggestions to create stunning graphics, posters, and social media content. 5. Adobe Express, Adobe's free, simplified design platform that helps you craft professional visuals without the steep learning curve. 6. Figma, ideal for UI/UX design. Figma now integrates AI features to streamline collaborative design work. 7. Remove.bg, automatically removes backgrounds from images with a single click. Perfect for creating clean visuals. Love these design tools? Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and tricks that will level up your visual game. Moving on to video, an essential medium in today's digital world. 8. Pictory AI. Transform your blog posts or scripts into engaging videos effortlessly. 9. Lumen 5. Turn text content into visually appealing videos with AI-powered automation. If you're ready to create videos without the hassle, hit that subscribe button and keep watching for even more awesome tools. Ever needed a professional voiceover without hiring a narrator? Check these out. 10. TTS Reader, converts text to natural-sounding speech, great for creating accessible content. 11. Natural Readers, another excellent text-to-speech tool with various voice options, perfect for presentations, e-learning, or audio articles. Love the sound of that? Subscribe now for more insights into how AI can simplify your life. Next, let's revolutionize your presentations. 12. Beautiful.ai, an AI-driven presentation tool that designs stunning slides automatically. 13. SlideBean, focus on your content while the AI takes care of the design and layout. 14. Microsoft Designer, integrates AI to help create visually captivating presentations, even if you're not a design pro. If these presentation tools inspire you, hit that subscribe button and share this video with anyone who needs a presentation makeover. Now, for the creatives, AI-powered image generation and art tools that push your creativity. 15. Stable Diffusion, generate unique images and art pieces from textual descriptions for free. 16. Deepart.io, transform your photos into masterpieces using AI-driven style transfer. Feeling inspired? Subscribe now and join our creative community for more mind-blowing AI art tools. Developers, this one's for you. 17. Replit, an online coding platform with built-in AI assistants to help you write and debug code faster. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Code smarter, not harder. Subscribe now for more tech and coding tips powered by AI. Data geeks, don't miss this. 18. Orange, an open-source data visualization and analysis tool that uses machine learning to simplify complex data sets. It's free, powerful, and perfect for anyone looking to make data-driven decisions. If you love turning data into insights, subscribe now and stay updated with more cutting-edge AI tools. Last but not least, transform your audio and video content with AI. 19. Descript, an all-in-one audio and video editor that uses AI for transcription, editing, and even voice cloning. This tool is a must-have for content creators looking to streamline their editing process. If you're ready to edit like a pro with AI, hit that subscribe button and let us know your favorite editing hack in the comments. That's a wrap on our deep dive into 20 must-know AI platforms for 2025. From writing and design to data analysis and video editing, these tools are reshaping how we work and create. And the best part, they're mostly free and super accessible. Embrace the power of AI and start transforming your productivity today. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and drop a comment on which AI tool you can't wait to try. Share this video with friends and colleagues, and let's revolutionize the way we work together.